He snores. She told me that shot will make him slummy. Be pretty slummish today. Y'all hear him snoring? Ugh. That poor baby. Oh, poor baby. Got his shots today. Well, he got a shot. They checked his poo today to see if, he had anything weird in there. She said that nothing came out, but that was just one sample. So his other samples could have stuff. Not other samples, but he could have something. But that one sample didn't show anything. But she said, let me know if anything happens and to expect it to be runny if it is.